Hi everyone, today I'll share with you how you can create that screen effect in DaVinci Resolve in less than 2 minutes. First, you'll need to download a RGB pixel pattern image from the internet. I've linked one in the description below. Then in DaVinci Resolve, bring your clip in the timeline, then go over to Fusion. You can then just bring the pixel pattern that you've downloaded and link that to the media in one, aka your clip. Then here in Merge, switch the edge to Warp. It gives you that LED grid that you can then reduce the size of to get the effect that you want. Then simply change the apply mode to screen and then reduce the blend to 0.2. Then just bring a couple of effects to make it come to life. Just bring a mosaic blur between the media in and the merge. Increase the frequency to 2000. Then after you merge, bring a brightness node. Increase the gain to 1.3 and reduce the lift a little bit. Then after the brightness, bring a glow. And after the glow, bring a DVE. Adjust the X, Y, and Z axis as you want to get the right angle, and reduce the Z move and the position to focus on the part of the screen that you want. Now just go at the beginning of your composition, drop a keyframe on the position of the DVE, and go at the end of your composition and modify the position of that DVE by going down or up. And here you go, that's the final effect. If you want to see a more in-depth video where I break down everything step by step, the link is in the description below. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates built only for DaVinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack that contains over 150 elements. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.